The Larson Electronics Power Distribution Disconnect Switch is designed for reliable, safe, and convenient power distribution at industrial work sites. This non-fused disconnect is designed for pad mounting installations. The bottom feed disconnect switch is protected by a NEMA 3R rated steel enclosure with a ventilated design. Compatible with 35 kV AC, the disconnect switch features a manual operating handle. This disconnect switch comes with a 600 amp rating. The disconnect switch is protected by an 11GA sheet steel enclosure. The enclosure is NEMA 3R rated for protection against water, moisture, and debris. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.